This question, number 4 on the test review for Algebra 2, those rhyme. A vendor sells small drinks for $1.15, medium drinks for $1.75, and large drinks for $2.25 during a week in which he sold twice as many small drinks as medium drinks. His total sales were $22.38.75 for 13.85 drinks. So there's a number equation. Small plus medium plus large equals 13.85. That is right. That's the number equation. There's a value equation. The dollar amount for each drink. $1.15 small plus $1.75 medium plus $2.25 large equals $22.38.75. There's one other equation. It says he sold twice as many small drinks as medium. So small equals 2 times medium. So I can use that and plug in here. This is small plus medium plus large. Well, small is 2 medium. So that will become 2 medium plus medium is 3 medium. I don't like this to have anything there, so I'm going to clear it out like that. Okay? So again, I'm just plugging in 2m for small, starting with this equation. S is 2m. 2m plus m is 3m. Plus large, I don't know if we're using a small L or capital, I'll use capital, equals 1385. Now I will plug it in this equation, S equals 2m. So this is 1.15 times 2m. Well, 2 times 1.15 is 230. So it's 2.3m plus 1.75m plus 2.25L equals 22.38.75. Now, I need more room, so I'll just do this here. What's 2.3 plus 1.75? Well, you can do it on a calculator. 7 3 is 10, 2 3 4. 4.05. So let me fix that. I will fix it by doing this. 2.3 plus 1.75 is 4.05. Then I will take this and I'll just move it over here. Plus 2.25L equals 22.38.75. Now I want to get rid of one of those variables. I will multiply this first equation by negative 2.25. And let me zoom in so I can fit this here. Sometimes you have to be clever. And now the calculator will certainly come in handy. What's negative 2.25 times 3 is negative 6.75. Negative 6.75 m minus 2.25L. Well, how convenient. The L's will disappear. Equals, what's 1385 times 2.25? Well, let's try it here. 1385. I don't want to use that one because I need that tab. 1385 times 2.25. I think those are the right numbers. 1385 times negative 2.25 is negative 3116. I think it was 3116.25. Okay, now I'm going to add these two equations. And let me move over. This is rough because they really didn't give enough room here. Hold on. I'm moving over. Hold on. Sometimes my fingers do not do what I tell them to do. Do I need to make it bigger? No, I guess I'll leave it like that. So I'm going to add those two equations. Well, 4.05 minus 6.75 is minus, wait a minute, I might want to write it way up here, minus 2.7. Minus 2.7m. The L's go away. 2.25 minus 2.25 is 0 equals, what's 2238 minus 311625? I'll just do minus 2238.75. And notice the negative 3116 is the bigger number, so this is going to be negative. So negative 2.7m equals, what's the number? 877.50. Negative 877. So again, I was adding 2238.75 minus plus minus 3116.25. So the resulting answer is negative. The negative number was larger. So now I have to divide 877.50, negative 877.50 divided by negative 2.7. On the calculator, I don't have the signs written in there, but that's okay. It's 325. So M equals 325. The medium drinks is 325. And where shall I draw that? I guess I'll leave it right there. Okay, and now I know 3 times M, so I'll just plug in this M. 3 times 3, 25, plus L equals 1385. What's 3 times 3, 25? 3 times 5 is 15. 2, 6 is 1 is 7. 975 plus L equals 1385. L equals 1385 minus 975, 410. So L is 410. M equals 325. L is 410. And then I know there's one equation of the originals that says S plus M plus L is 1385. So S plus 325 plus M plus L, 410, equals, and I've already forgotten what the number is. So let me look back at that. 1385. What is 325 plus 410? 735 equals 1385. Then I will subtract 735 from both sides. 0, 5, 650. So there are 650 small, 325 medium, 410 large. All right, so again, I had a number equation, a value equation, and I just made everything small. Value equation, I'll put the arrow on that side, and then an extra equation. So I plugged that extra into these two, so I'd get them to be two variables, and then I combined them in such a way that one of the variables would disappear, solve for something, plug that back into one of these two interim equations, and then use those two plus the number equation to find the number of the third. All right, now, it says here, the vendor decided to increase the price for small drinks to $1.25. So now it's going to be 1.25 times small, and so forth. And then I'll use those other values. But let me see how many of each one are being sold here. He sold 140 fewer small drinks. So now the number of small drinks, if I can get over there, small is 650. He sold 140 fewer. So that is 510. 650 minus 140 is 510. So 125 times 510 plus 125 more medium drinks. So 325 plus 125 is 450. So plus 450 medium drinks at, what was a medium drink price? The medium drink price was 175 plus 175 times, what was that number again? It was 125 more than 325, which is 450. Plus, how much were the large drinks? 225. So what's happened here, sometimes they do this. You raise the price of the lowest priced item, and then people say, well, wait a minute, the bigger ones are a better value, and they'll buy more of the bigger ones, and then you'll make more money. Now, this question doesn't mention profit. It can only go by what the vendor sells it for. So that's the only value number we have. 140, and 225, it says 35 more large drinks. Really, I would like to have profit, but don't have it. So 410 was large, and 35 more than that is 445. So now how much did the vendor make? Well, I'll try to plug it in. Let's see if I can get this calculator so I can kind of see both. So I have 1.25 times 510 plus 1.75 times 450. Oh, not 4.50, 450 plus 225 times 445. 225 times 445, and that equals 2426. 2625. So there's the sales for that week. And the original sale were only 2238.75. So was raising the price of the small drink a good business move? Well, from the information that this gives, yes, made more money. Why made more money? Because people bought more larger drinks, medium, I'll just put medium and large drinks purchased. Now again, to really figure this out, you have to know the profit, but this question doesn't give the profit. So that's it. That's number 4.